Hi friends, I actually had a different video planned today, clearly by the lack of makeup and self-tanner. I was not planning on doing a haul video, but I can't let this go. I was not aware of Hobby Lobby's game, okay? I feel like their prices increased a few years ago, and maybe I'm delusional, but I feel like they have decreased again. And not only do they always do the like 30 or 40% off of a ton of stuff, but this is so cute and already at a better price than Target. So let's do a very random impromptu Hobby Lobby haul. And I don't think I can link anything below, but I will do my very best. This is, so it had it marked down. This looks like a sale tag. It is a 19.3 inch tall, $23 vase. This was over in the floral section, and I liked that this one was tin, not glass, nothing else, just not as fragile. My thought process for this is actually, I got these gorgeous silk hydrangeas off of Amazon. This is maybe my 4th time repurchasing these, and I love them so much, but they have long stems, and it's really, really hard to cut them. So I thought when I saw this would be gorgeous with these. Oh, I love that so much. I do have to take the price tag off of everything though. That is my biggest pet peeve when people leave it on. So I promise that will come off. This was something I knew if I did not buy it, I would regret it. This is a food safe cheese board, dessert board, charcuterie board. This one I knew that I would regret if I did not buy it. So I don't need it, but I just knew it was too good to pass up. They have an entire little like kiosk area of just charcuterie boards. Everything is food safe. They have different colors and sizes and shapes. This one is $23. $23, you guys. Look at my hand compared to this. This would be perfect. Every single time we have a family gathering or even like friends over, we always do some kind of board. So I knew this would get used so much. And again, like that would be like 60 bucks at Target. And honestly, most of the Target stuff is not food safe, and I knew I would regret it if I did not get that. This is so, so pretty. I love big bowls, baskets, whatever, for a number of things. Generally decor, but you could also like cut those flowers and lay them in this. It would make a absolutely beautiful centerpiece in a table, on a coffee table. This is $13 though for this, and the size I feel is really good. Now they didn't have different colors or sizes in this one. This was like kind of the only option, but I think they had like 6 or 7 of these. So definitely a lot of stock. And then a little baby cheese board, again, food safe. This one is $10. $10 for this. So still a really good size, something that's a little bit smaller, better for smaller parties. I feel like charcuterie boards really don't need to be as big as they appear, but a dessert board I feel like always needs to be massive. So I just love this, and I don't have any round ones that don't have little like divots in them for specific things. So I like that this one was like pretty simple, but they did have this one in a few different like wood color options. They had a much, much darker one, and then one that was like almost very faint yellow, but all of them were gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This whole gigantic bin. Now, I will interrupt your aesthetic decor to just share. I am a mother of 2, and I am aware of my place, okay? So I could not leave without these. My boys are obsessed with Paw Patrol, so I actually got 4 of them, 2 for my mom and dad's house, and then 2 for here. I feel like placemats are just an essential always, but I mean, come on. And then with that, they also have a whole section where they have like Lilo and Stitch, Bluey, Hello Kitty. There were a few other ones, but these are the Zach Designs brand, which I believe this is the one that my mom was telling me is like 100% bamboo or something. I could be wrong, but I grabbed 6 of these, and they are also little Paw Patrol plates. And these were together, like these were literally right next to it. I don't know if these are Zach Designs as well. They don't have any like logo on them. These were $2.50 a piece, and the plates were $4.50 a piece, and I'm almost positive that these were on a 30% off sale. Okay, to be honest, this is the sole reason I went to Hobby Lobby. Look at how gorgeous. Now they actually had this one in a few different colors. They had like a light green and then also a light pink. They had a decent amount of mugs, but I grabbed just one because my husband makes fun of me. He's like, you have way too many coffee mugs. Why? This is a problem. But I couldn't leave without that one. And then right next to it was this one. And I loved how large this is. So $5. literally $5 for this adorable mug, and this one also came in, I think, a green and pink. This one was $6. They had trouble finding these plates in their system because they were so new, but I grabbed all the plates that they had in this particular color. I could not do without these. We just got a china cabinet last week, and it's functional, but still very, very decor, decorated. Like, I'm gonna be able to change it out for the seasons. Oh my gosh, these are glass plates, you guys. How gorgeous. So they had these in a few different colors. Again, I grabbed all that they had in the dark blue. They had way more of the, I think, like green and then maybe a red they had. These were $16 for all 4 glass plates, and they're just, oh, they're stunning. And then I also grabbed these smaller plates. So again, a little 4-pack, exact same design on them. These were, I believe, $10, but this one didn't have a tag on it. So I heard them trying to find it. I did grab a butter dish. I just needed one that was like very neutral, simple, not like wood or anything. And I found this one, $8. I have jewelry that I wear every single day, but I don't sleep in. So like, I'm trying to get better about not sleeping in any of my rings, taking off even like just the birthstone jewelry I wear. I want to start taking it off and getting better. So I thought, okay, this would be super cute for by my sink so that it's all safe and separate, but it's something that I'm gonna reach for every day, so it doesn't need to be in a drawer or a jewelry box. This was $6. And then finally, I grabbed 2 really cute little bowls. So this one was $11. It has a really cute design all the way around, and I don't have one that's small like this, but again, really, really cute for, you could put like little balls in here, you could put flowers in here, just a really cute, very versatile decor piece. I could just put it in my china cabinet. And this I got because I genuinely wanted to see how it looks compared to my Target one. This is $16, really good size and color. And again, great decor piece. So I'm planning to kind of like switch out all my spring decor. I like to move things around from time to time. So I was like, okay, I definitely will use all of this, and I just could not get over the price. Like, I think every single thing that I'm showing here was like less than 200. If I was to buy this at Target, I keep comparing it to Target, I know I would spend over 3 at minimum. So if you guys are sleeping on Hobby Lobby, don't. Absolutely amazing. So thank you for watching, and my next video will be a spring shoe video, but I had to kick that one because I could not get past how cute this stuff is. And I was actually talking to the ladies there, and they were like, stuff goes quickly. So they were like, we got some really cute like initial pillows that have this design on them. It's a little bit lighter blue, and they were like, we're gonna put them out today. They will be gone by the weekend. So I just wanted to get this up as soon as possible.